Well, pretty excited. Got the new toolbox all done. Quick, just kind of go over. Put a wooden top on it. Beth helped me get it all epoxied up. Little pine. And got all my sockets reorganized. Missing a couple, but not too many. So that works out pretty good. Nice big drawer for moving all of those. SAE wrenches mostly, a few metrics. It would have been nice if this drawer went all the way across, but it doesn't. And then right now, all of the gear wrenches that are metric are there. Miscellaneous books I need, just my junk drawer, my miscellaneous drawer all organized. Files and pickle forks and that kind of stuff. This is all the pullers, so all the cases with different types of pullers, spring compressors, oil filter setups, anything that pulls. All my electronics and stuff, multimeter, old school sun tool, compression testers, thermal stuff. Other miscellaneous measuring tools for throw-out bearings and the West Virginia socket set right here, or like we like to say back in Texas, the Arkansas socket set. The bad day box. This is all the thread fixers and strip bolt pullers and strip screw fixers. Drill bits, all the different drill bits indexed out, unit bits, Clecos. All the brake tools and some testing stuff, swedging stuff, but mostly brake. The I can't get it off, get a hammer drawer. Rivet nuts, pop rivets, rivet gun, both big and small. Large and small rivet tools, rivet nut tools. The giant drawer full of all the hard cases with the Phoenix injector, my timing lights, my hole saws, Dremel kits, hacksaws, vacuum tools, all those type tap and die setup. And then the giant air tools, all the small air tools, all those right here, nice and laid out. The pliers setup, all my pliers and vice grips, strippers, needle nose, dikes. And then screwdrivers, still the old school made in America Craftsman's, which I still have. My Zeus fastener for the race cars, bits, ball end sockets for hex keys, pry bars. One of the oldest tools I have, I got back when I was about 15 years old for working on motorcycles when you didn't have air impacts. And then that takes us back to the wrench drawer. So pretty much a general tour. It came out really good, works great. Really like this box. Amazing that you can pick up a box that's almost the quality of my Snap-on box or Matco box for a fraction of the price. What a great deal. Anyway, that's my toolbox all set up.